Now take a legal size paper and cut a 10 mm strip as shown in the video with the help of scissor. Cut total 10 mm strips. Cut total 50 strips, same as shown in the video. Cut total 50 strips, 10 mm. Now take Fevicol and stick one by one strip as shown in the video. Connect one to one strip as shown in the video with the help of glue. Total join 50 strip. Now take a quilling tool and roll the paper strips, total 50 strips, and make a big coil as shown in the video. Now coil is ready. Now it is the diameter centimeter is 5 centimeter. You can measure with the scale as shown in the video. Now take legal size paper and cut 3 mm strip. And join 10 strips 3 mm one by one as shown in the video with the help of glue. Connect one to one. Total join 3 mm strip, 10 strips for each mango coil. Now take a quilling tool and roll it as shown in the video and give the mango shape as shown in the video. Press it as shown in the video and make a coil. Give a mango shape as shown in the video. Slowly, do it slowly, don't be hurry, and apply glue at the edge point. Now the coil is ready. Now apply glue in inside. Let it dry for some time. I make some more coils like this. This big coil and apply glue as shown in the video and attach mango coils to that big coil as shown in the video. Now apply glue and connect one by one as shown in the video. Here we are making lotus petals. Now upper part of the lotus is completed. Now on the back side apply glue and connect the lotus petals one by one as shown in the video. Make it all. Now the lotus is ready. Now take acrylic color paint and paint the lotus as shown in the video. You can use any color. Here I am using light pink color to paint the lotus. Now lotus petals painting is completed. Now take the yellow color paint and paint it in middle part of the lotus. This lotus will be the stand for the dolls, and we can use for the candles. We can use a number of things for decoration also.